Hello, my name is Milind Deshmukh, and today's date 6 February 2024, and my topic is control flow in Java. So, control flow is the stands for the execution of program or execution of code is represented as a control flow. So, there are some terms which used to control the executions of uh, program or execution of code. So, some of these are the looking statement and some are decision making statements. For example, in a control flow, for the control flow, there is a one decision making statement, that is if else. So if else is a condition based decision making statement in Java. So when we have to check any condition, at that time we use the this condition statement. So there we use this conditional statement if is in three forms. First one is a if, to check only one condition. Another one is a if else. If first condition is true, then it will continue the if condition, or if condition is false, they will execute the else condition. Third one is a if else if means if there are multiple conditions, so it will there will be the if condition. After that there will be else if condition. After that there will be else if conditions. So according to the requirement, and at the end there will be the else condition. So uh, this else if ladder execute as a if if condition is wrong, then it will check the another else if that also false, then it will check another else if, and if the all the conditions are false, then it will execute the else condition. And uh, there is another one decision making statement in Java, that is switch case. Switch, as we know, switch is a keyword in Java, so it is a decision making statement. So how it use? When we are using switch case, so we have to provide like cases, as a case one. For example, I can I just assure for the understanding. Case 1, and uh, in the block of case 1 we have to write the code which we want to execute when it will get the right when it will turn true the condition right. uh, and there we can write there the multiple cases, and at the end we have to write the default condition. When all condition will false, then by default the default condition will execute. And there is a specific syntax to write switch case. Switch, then the in bracket we have to define the operator which we are using, and the case keyword. After that we have to mention the operator or anything, and anything by using we can execute the code. And inside that we need to write the code. And after the end of case, we have to write the break keyword. If we are not using break keyword, then it will check the another conditions which are written after uh, that case. And that was the decision making statement. And some are the uh, looping statement in Java, like for loop, do while loop, and while loop. So first of all we will discuss about the for loop. So for loop execute the execution of for loop based on the uh, 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 in for loop, we have to write the for, and inside the bracket we have to write we have to initialize the loop, how many iterations, from where we want to start the iterations. And second one is a condition, and after that we have to mention the increment or a decrement. And inside the block of for loop we write the code. Another one is a while loop. When we have to use the while loop until and unless the condition become true, the while loop execute. So how we write the while loop? The syntax of while loop is, first of all we write the while keyword, and after that we write the condition, and inside the block we write the code which we want to execute. And third one is a do while loop. So do while loop is a do while loop. We write the do keyword and we open the block, and at the end we write the while, and inside the while we mention the condition. So there's a one thing in the do while loop. If there's a condition is false, but still the do while loop execute the code at once. And if the condition is right, if condition is true, then until and unless the condition become false, it will execute the block of code. Thank you. That was all about the control flow in Java.